Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the display basics. First, make sure the cable and monitor are connected correctly and powered. Open Settings Right Arrow System Right Arrow Display, and once there, confirm Windows shows the monitor at its native resolution. If you see multiple displays, temporarily disconnect extra monitors so you can focus on the misscaled screen. These steps rule out simple hardware and configuration errors before you change scaling or driver files. You now change how Windows renders items. In display settings, set the resolution to the monitor's native value, because non-native resolutions often look zoomed. Then set scale to 100% or the recommended option. If text still appears large, try 125% and test. Click Advanced Scaling Settings to enter a custom value like 110. 0 when necessary, but make small changes. Then sign out and back, so Windows applies the new scale properly, and you can judge results. Finish by updating or reinstalling the display driver. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click the adapter and choose Update or Uninstall, then restart. Once done, confirm display and scaling settings again, and sign out, then sign in to apply changes. If the screen remains zoomed, use Safe Mode to see if a third-party app or driver causes the problem, and make sure to use System Restore if recent changes coincide with the issue. This often reverts faulty driver installs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.